Hey folks, I'm Leo, back again to explain to you how trading works. In this video, I'll speak about trading fractional shares. Don't like waiting? Okay, spoiler alert, you can trade fractional shares on Olymp Trade platform. Happy now? Alright, now let's start from the beginning. Why is trading stocks good? First, because analyzing them is relatively easy. For fundamental analysis, you Google a stock and here you go with all the financial ratios and company news. For technical analysis, it's all similar to other instruments. Also, Olymp Trade's experts explain various approaches of fundamental stock analysis in the blog and help center and share their assessments in insights. Second, there are plenty to choose from. Blue chips, all giants, growth stocks, value stocks. You'll easily find what best fits your objectives and trading style. Third, you don't own stocks on the platform, rather, you make trades on their prices. That gives you the advantage of stock trading and spares you the shareholders' risks and obligations. Fourth, stocks represent the market, and the market keeps expanding. For you, that means a well-diversified stock portfolio will grow in value over years on its own. Fifth, and I rarely list so many points, stock market has earnings season. During that quarterly event, companies' reports make stock prices move, and that's a great trading opportunity. Olymp Trade brings you all the notifications, calendars, trade signals, and guidance on it. Now, what will you do if Amazon stock costs more than $3,000 and your total deposit is less than $1,000? That's right, you'll forget about trading Amazon. Or you'll trade it on Olymp Trade's stocks mode because it offers fractional shares. What is fractional shares trading? Trading fractions of shares, my best explanation ever. Seriously, that's a good tool because it allows you to open trades with a part of a stock price as low as $1. Here's how it works. On the chart of any trading instrument, tap on its name in the top left corner. That'll open the Assets menu in the left side bar. Below the section's title, you'll find 3 trading modes: Fixed Time, Forex, and Stocks. Tap on the Stocks mode and choose a stock you want. In the right sidebar, you can open a trade. In the setting of a trade you're opening, you can choose a unit value you need. 1 unit value equals the full price of a stock. For example, if Amazon costs $3,000, that will be the value of 1 unit on this stock. So if you put 0.1 units in the corresponding field, you'll open a trade on a fraction of that stock's price that equals 0.1 of its value, which is $300. You can set it down to a 0.01 fraction of a unit. I know what you're thinking. You want to make an all-stock 0.01 unit portfolio, don't you? Anyway, you're free to do that with Olymp Trade's stocks trading mode. It's the most suitable mode for investment-style positional trading in my opinion. Also, it's best in terms of fees because you pay a fraction of your profit only on profitable trades. Try it out and see you in the other videos.